Understanding PayPal, the online payment giant. PayPal has become synonymous with online payments since it first emerged in the late 1990s. As one of the most utilized payment platforms worldwide, it facilitates both personal and business transactions seamlessly through a website and mobile app. This article will cover how PayPal works, its key features, fees, competition, security, and its history, giving you a comprehensive view of this influential payment service. What is PayPal? PayPal is a digital payment platform that enables users to send and receive money online through various means. By creating an account and linking it to a checking account or credit card, users can conduct transactions with ease. PayPal acts as an intermediary, allowing millions of consumers and businesses to send and receive money without directly disclosing sensitive banking information. With a broad acceptance rate, many online and physical retailers now recognize PayPal as a payment option. Key takeaways. Ease of use. Users can make transactions with just an email address and a verified payment method. Established reputation. Once a subsidiary of eBay, PayPal became an independent entity in 2015. Diverse offerings. Beyond payment transactions, PayPal provides credit and debit card services, in addition to business-facing solutions. Security. PayPal employs various measures to protect users from fraud and unauthorized transactions. How PayPal works. When users wish to make a payment or receive money, they navigate through PayPal's simple interface. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how the process operates. 1. Account creation. Users need an email address and must link a bank account or credit/debit card. Mobile verification is also a necessary step. 2. Making payments. Shoppers can choose PayPal as a payment method during online checkouts. Transactions are executed rapidly, often within minutes. 3. Sending money. Users can transfer money to anyone with an email or mobile number, regardless of whether the recipient has a PayPal account. The recipient will be prompted to create one. 4. Receiving payments. Merchants can use PayPal services through online integration or in-person transactions using PayPal card readers. PayPal for business. PayPal offers extensive services tailored to businesses, from small startups to large enterprises. Key business features include payment portals, accepting payments via online invoices or direct links. In-person transactions, using PayPal card readers for physical sales. Business management services, tools to help track sales, manage expenses, and calculate taxes. Credit and financing options, including working capital loans to help businesses grow. Security and privacy measures. Security is a priority for PayPal. By acting as a gatekeeper, it minimizes the necessity for customers to disclose sensitive banking details to online merchants. Transactions encrypted with end-to-end protocols safeguard user data, while features like two-factor authentication provide additional protection against unauthorized access. PayPal fees. While there are no fees for personal transactions made in your home currency, other service fees apply. Currency conversion fee. PayPal adds a 4% fee for currency exchanges. Merchant transaction fees, ranges from 2.29% to 3.49% plus a fixed fee per transaction, varying by payment type. Instant transfer fees, charges apply if users choose to expedite fund transfers to their bank accounts. PayPal versus its competitors. As of June 2024, PayPal holds a market share of 37.8%, making it the second largest payments platform globally, closely trailing Stripe. Key differences between PayPal and its competitors are in ease of use versus customization for merchants. Stripe, in particular, offers more flexibility in payment integration but can be somewhat complex compared to PayPal's straightforward setup process. Competitors overview. Stripe, ideal for businesses with global reach, allowing payments in numerous currencies. Square, known for its point-of-sale solutions but with a smaller market share. Authorize.net, targets businesses that need gateway solutions, but less popular among smaller merchants. Safety and consumer protection. As a non-bank financial entity, PayPal still aligns with consumer protection regulations similarly to traditional banking institutions. Quick reporting of unauthorized transactions is crucial for minimizing potential financial loss. Additionally, PayPal has buyer protection programs where consumers can seek refunds if items don't arrive or aren't as described. A brief history of PayPal. PayPal traces its roots back to the late 1990s, initially launching as a payment service for Palm Pilot users under Confinity. Following its merger with X.com, an online banking entity, the company took on the PayPal name in 2000. Its substantial growth was fueled and eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 as the official payment service for their platform. In 2015, PayPal was spun off as an independent company, trading on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol PayPal. Through strategic acquisitions, including the purchase of Venmo and Braintree, PayPal expanded its offerings, delving deeper into peer-to-peer payments and enhancing its technological footprint. Conclusion. PayPal stands out as a dominant player in the digital payment landscape. It's suitable for consumers and small businesses alike, particularly for those seeking convenience and ease in transactions. Though transaction fees for merchants may be higher compared to other solutions, the extensive security features and accessibility make PayPal a reliable choice for everyday financial transactions. As the payment landscape continues to evolve, both consumers and businesses should regularly assess their payment methods against emerging technologies and competitor offerings.